In this video, I am going to show you how I designed these beautiful fall nails. Stay tuned, ladies. So the first thing you want to do is you want to start by sizing out your nails. This little board that you see here, I got this board from the Dollar Tree for a total of $4. The little white board I got from the arts and crafts section. The little silver things that you see, I'm not sure what they're called. I think they're called key hangers that you stick them to your wall and you hang your keys on. But they came in packs of 6 and I got 2 packs of those. I got the whiteboard from the arts and crafts section, and I also got a roll of masking tape so that I can stick my nails to the little key thingies once I have them sized out, and you'll see that towards the end of this video. So here I'm just sizing out my nails to make sure that they fit each finger. And if you want to see how I prep my nails before I place my press-on nails, then I have linked the video in the card, so be sure to check that video out, because the first step to a successful and long-lasting press-on set is to be sure you properly prep your nails. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking some masking tape and I'm sticking it to the top of the key thingies. We're just going to call them key holders. So I'm sticking some tape like so to the top of the key holders so that my nails will stick, so that I'll have a surface so that I can go ahead and design them. So now that you have your masking tape on your key holders, you want to now add your nails to the masking tape, which is going to cause your nails to stick, and you have a surface to design your nails. Now, ladies, if you don't want to make this little board, then they already have some nail stands available on Amazon or AliExpress. However, for this video, for the sake of this video, I'm actually trying to show you ladies ways to actually save money. So now that I have my nails all sorted and they're taped to my key holders on my board, these are the colors I'm going to use. I'm going to be using a gel color by Clos Beauté. And I'm using a foundation. I'm going to use a foundation coat first of the clear, and then I'm going to cure it for 90 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with my gel color, and I'm going to go ahead and apply 3 coats to each nail and cure each coat 90 seconds on each nail. So now that you're all done curing your base coat, you want to go in with your gel color, and you want to polish your first coat. You want to make sure that the coats are as thin as possible. You have to do multiple coats, but if your coat is too thick, it will cause your polish to wrinkle. I've experienced this the hard way. So you definitely want to make sure that you polish or paint thin coats as thin as possible. I usually like to do 3 coats. However, you may do more than 3 coats, just whatever is suitable to your liking. So go ahead and paint your coats on, and cure each coat 90 seconds. So now that I have my desired color, I'm going to go in with this clear gel top coat, and I'm going to use it to of course do a top coat over my nails, and I'm also going to use it for my design. As you can see here, I've already done this design off camera. I'm just going to go in and add some diamonds and rhinestones, but later in the video I will show you the design step by step on another nail. So here I'm just going in and I'm adding my top coat, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this design on camera. So now that I finished with the design on that nail, I'm just going in and adding another top coat to the nails that I think need another top coat. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to do the design on the other nail on camera. And I'm also just going in and filling in, you know, around those rhinestones with another layer of gel so that my rhinestones will stay on during the length of this press-on set. So now I'm going to go in and do the design on the other nail. It's just a water decal, you guys. You can purchase water nail decals from Amazon, AliExpress, or, you know, other nail places. They may have them. I think Sally's have them. And all you do is you cut your desired design out and you sit it in a bowl of water. And once it's wet enough, the design will lift from the paper into like some type of transparent picture. And you just take some tweezers like you saw me doing in this video, and you place it on your nail where you want it to be. Now, I like to, if I'm doing gel nails, I like to go ahead and place a gel top coat on my nails before I place my design. But you don't have to do that. You just have to be careful, because if you do that, you won't be able to move your design. So you have to place it where you want it to be. But like I said, you can place your design and then do the gel top coat. It's up to you, but you have to use a light hand, because if you don't, you'll mess up your design. So here I'm just adding my rhinestones for my desired look. I don't have any particular look. I'm just laying my rhinestones, you know, as I see fit. So that's the beautiful thing about doing nails. You can get creative with it, and you can do things how you want to do them, because it's your nails. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish this design, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a top coat once I'm done, and I'm going to cure again for 90 seconds. Once I'm done curing, I'm going to go ahead and use a cotton pad, which I didn't show in this video, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe the sticky top coat off the top of the nails. And that would be it, you guys, and I'll show you the finished product once I'm done. So this is my finished result. These nails will last me 2 weeks. And it only costs about $15 or less once you buy all of your supplies from either Amazon or AliExpress. So I hope you ladies use it, save some money, do your nails at home, comment and let me know how it works for you. Take care.